Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Miss Joyce. Happy birthday, Miss Joyce. Araw mo ngayon ay puno ng saya. Kahit malayo ka sa iyong pamilya, pagmamahal nila'y kasama mo sa tuwina. Lumaban ka ng buong tapang sa buhay. Tinahak ang landas ng iyong mga pangarap. Pagod at luha man ay iyong hinarap. Hindi ka sumuko, pagkus ay lalong
gabayan ng Diyos sa bawat araw ng iyong buhay. Happy birthday, Miss June.